Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to disable all notification and sounds from a single chat in Messenger. Sometimes, a chat can be too active, and you may want to take a break from all the notifications and sounds. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to a certain chat. Next, go to the chat from which you want to disable the notifications and sounds. It can be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you are in the chat, tap on the name of the person or group. Step 3. Tap on Notification and Sounds. In the More Actions section, you'll see an option that says Notification and Sounds. Tap on it. Step 4. Tap on Now. You'll see a toggle button that says On. Tap on it to turn it off. Step 5. Specify for how long you want to disable all notification and sounds. You'll now see a pop-up that asks you to specify for how long you want to disable all notification and sounds. You can choose from options like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Select the appropriate option and tap on OK. That's it. Disabling all notification and sounds from a single chat in Messenger is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Remember, you can always turn the notifications and sounds back on by following the same steps and toggling the button back to on. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.